Hey Edgar, this is JD. So just want to go over your website and Google My Business page and kind of give you some tips on how you can optimize them. And once you optimize it, you start ranking. And once you start ranking, then you start getting in front of more customers and getting that phone ringing. So first off, looking at your website, looks nice, looks clean. Um, I would like, I like this click the call button here. I would definitely try to make this button here click the call as well. So that way if someone just clicks on it, boom, it takes them right to the number, similar how this is. And then, so this is nice, how it takes you to your email. So I would, people might see that, want to click on it. People are lazy. I'd probably put your phone number here as well if you can, just so when people are scrolling down, kind of like this email us, that's great. Put some kind of click the call button here. I'd also like to see a form submission on this page. So let me go to a website. It's the website I created. So this form submission can be huge. Some people, they don't like to talk on the phone. Maybe they want you to contact them. Maybe they're busy. So a way to just let them, drop their information for you. And that way you can pick up on people that, again, don't want to talk on the phone or they're too busy. So quick form submission, name, phone number, zip code, email, and then a few things, maybe that need to be done. This can definitely bring in a few more customers each week. So form submission would be great. And then I would say add more content. So right here on this first page, there should be at least 2,000 words and 2,000 words that are all SEO optimized for home inspection. So if we were to look up home inspection right now, you only have it one time on this whole page, and that's that's what you do, is home inspection. So I would try to add in at least maybe like 10 times, 10, 15 home inspector. Okay, let's try to see how many times home inspector is on here. But these are keywords that you want to rank for. So if you don't even have them on your page, how is Google going to know that's what kind of a website it is? So add in home inspector and home inspection, I would say. So when you're adding your content, add that in there. And again, Google is only as good as what you give it. So the more content you have out there, the easier it is for Google to figure out what you are and to rank you. It looks like the website's pretty brand new. I mean, it doesn't have an age for you guys, so it's still early. So that's the good news. So just adding those little things should help out a lot, and adding some more pages too. So right now it has your website has 4 pages that are indexed. You'd probably want to see at least 8. So that can be done with a business like yours by adding in service pages. So like, what exactly do you do? Maybe like a commercial service page and a residential service page, and maybe a roof inspecting, or garage inspecting, or whatever it is. I would say add some more pages, and just kind of go into more depth about what you actually do. Again, that will help Google figure out what your website is about and help you rank. So looking at some of the numbers, again, it looks like your website is pretty brand new. It doesn't have any numbers at all. You are ranking for some words. Let's see what they are. This thing has been moving slow. So Perfection Home Inspection, nice. That's pretty great. It has a volume of 100. And Perfection Home Systems has a volume of 40. So it basically shows, give or take, how many people each month search for this. And right now you're at position 41 and 56. So for keywords, you want to be 1 through 10. That's where people are going to find you. If you are on page 2, 3, or 4 at Google, no one is ever going to be able to find you. They just don't go to those pages. So good news is you are ranking, so we just got to get you up higher. We get you up higher by, again, adding more content to this page, and then getting some more backlinks to your website. That way to make Google think that it's more legit. So, and that would be right here would be these backlinks, referring domains is what I'm talking about. So, moving on to your Google My Business. So, Diamond, Perfection, Home, and Property Inspections. So, again, looks like brand new. I think this picture was added in September. So, first step, you want to get some reviews. That's next time you go on a call, or next time you have a customer, you definitely want to be telling them, hey, can you drop a review for us? Reviews are big, so that would be one. Two would be adding some more photos. Right now, I think you only have like 3 photos. So whenever you guys are out doing some inspections, just take photos and add them onto here. And lastly, you want to add some content to even this Google My Business page. And when I say content, it could be like a blog post. I think you're able to add in, or I don't think you are able to add in, like a post about, maybe 20% off special you're running, or a COVID-19 update. So, keeping this Google My Business page fresh is important because Google likes owners that are up to date with their information. So the more times you touch this, the more times you add content and pictures, the better Google likes you and the higher you are going to rank. So, and lastly, you want to get some more citations out there. So a citation is every time your name, business, the name of your business, your phone number, and your website, name, address, phone number, come up throughout the World Wide Web. So that would be like yellow pages, white pages, Facebook. So we just want to get some more name, addresses, and phone numbers out there, because again, the more that's out there, the more Google looks at you as a legitimate business and will rank you higher. So looking at Salt Lake City Home Inspector, there is some pretty stiff competition here. I mean, this guy has 545 reviews. That is ridiculous. This guy's got 69, which is pretty good too. 27, pretty good. So, we definitely got our work cut out for us, but good news is you have me on your team. So, being able to rank in this Google My Business page is definitely possible. And what I've seen too, man, is, I feel like nowadays more people are visual. So being able to rank in this, it's first off at the top of the page of Google. It's, there's a picture here of a map, and for some reason people, like that. There are reviews here to let them know if it's a legitimate business. And, customers see, these 3 things, and they see that Google is ranking them. So they really trust these 3, or they really put their trust into Google, that Google is showing them the best results. So they feel good. Here, some people don't even scroll down anymore. I found customers kind of stay up here in this Google My Business page. Excuse me. I had a client that we weren't even ranking him in the organic rankings here. He was number 1 in the Google My Business page, and he was getting a tremendous amount of calls. So it's definitely important to do. It looks like yours, again, is pretty brand new, so something to strive for to get into this Google Map Pack here. So what I use is this cool tool. It's a heat map. So what it is basically is I'm able to put your Google My Business page in, which is this right here, and then we're able to use a keyword, so Salt Lake Home Inspector. And what it does basically, it shows me if I am a person searching this keyword here throughout the city, where does this specific Google My Business page show up. So again, you're brand new, so you're 20. We want to get either 1, 2, or 3. That's the goal. No one's going to find you if you're even number 4. So just something to strive for, and it's just something that I can use because I can really pinpoint, maybe you're ranking really high in the northwest area of Salt Lake, but in, for some reason the southeast area you're not doing well, we can really pinpoint and throw some backlinks here, get some reviews that are close to Zion's Park or Mill Creek, and that'll help rank us. So cool little tricks that I use. It's what I do. So hopefully I'd be able to help you guys out. Let me show you. This is a customer I had probably about 3.5 months. So in a city about 300,000. So Stockton pressure washing is the key word. And he is ranking #1, throughout the whole city for that keyword. So just to kind of show you that's, it's possible to do. This is definitely a competitive niche as well, but we were able to get him #1. So there is some hope. Let me know, Edgar, and I would be happy to jump on a call with you, maybe talk and see how I can help you. Get some more customers. Any questions, feel free to reach out, man. You take care.